In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds from QuickBooks to bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to avoid common mistakes so your books stay clean and accurate. First, open QuickBooks and sign into your company file so you land on the main dashboard. We're starting right from the home page. From here, look for the Create button, sometimes shown as the new or plus icon. Click it to open the menu of transaction types. This menu is your shortcut to recording all kinds of activity, and for this task, we'll use Transfer. Choose Transfer. This opens the transfer form, which is designed to record money moving between two accounts you keep in QuickBooks, such as checking to savings or checking to a credit card. At the top, select the account the money is coming from in the Transfer Funds From field, and then select the account it's going to in the Transfer Funds To field. Take a moment to double-check these two choices. Reversing them is one of the most common data entry errors. Enter the exact amount of the transfer. Set the date to when the money actually moved or when you intend it to move if you're documenting it in advance. In the memo field, add a short note like monthly transfer to savings or any detail that will help you or your accountant recognize this later. If you have a confirmation from your bank, you can attach it here for easy reference. A quick but important note. This transfer form records the movement in your books. It doesn't physically move money between banks. If you initiate the actual transfer in your online banking, record it here so your accounting reflects reality. Later, when your bank feed brings in the real transaction, you'll match it to this transfer to avoid duplicates. Before saving, confirm the currency, the accounts, the date, and the amount are all correct. If you use classes, locations, or other tracking features, apply them now so your reports stay consistent. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it, your transfer is recorded. Afterwards, keep an eye on your banking or transactions page. When the bank feed imports the corresponding activity, match it to this transfer. This simple habit keeps your register tidy and speeds up reconciliation. If you don't see either the From or To account in the drop-downs, it likely means the account isn't set up or connected yet. Make sure both accounts exist in your chart of accounts before you start. And that's the complete process. You opened QuickBooks, used Create to access the transfer form, chose the right accounts, filled in the details, and saved. Follow these steps each time you move money, and your books will stay accurate and easy to reconcile.